beautiful. Today I'm showing you how I create this look with the desktop palette from Colourpop. This is a very neutral and easy palette to work with. I hope you enjoyed the look, and if you do, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more looks, and I hope to see you soon. Have a nice day, everybody. Bye bye. Colourpop. This is a brand new palette. Okay, it's not just releases, but it's brand new for me because I bought it last December, I guess, and then I'm waiting for the package to reach me for a really long time, and I had to pay custom duty also. So I've never tried it before because I was doing my 4 palettes a month. Now it has been included in my palette of the month. We are at the first. Today is the 1st of March, so I had 4 new palettes to play with for the entire month, and this is one of the palettes I choose because it's new and I want to try it a little bit better. Okay, I prime my eyes. Just let me pick up a mirror to see what I'm doing. I prime my eyes with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and then let's start playing with the palette. So I will put in here the palette, a picture of the palette, and arrows will point at the eyeshadow I'm picking up. Let's start with the Snake Eyes. That is a pinky taupe metallic shade. I think this palette will be nice to use for easy glam everyday looks. You can smoke out the looks with the dark brown called Bedrock, but if you'd like to have an easy palette to play with, where you can just apply a hint of color on the eye and be ready to go out, I think this one should be quite a good choice. It's a very easy palette, and it's not expensive. Okay, so I'm going with Python, and every name is since the palette has a snake print on it, every name of the shadow is recalling a snake. Okay, I will put Python on my as a blending shade, a little bit higher. I had put a light on the camera, so actually I'm not able to see the screen of the camera. I have to start pairing the camera with the computer when I'm recording, just to have a screen where I can see me. However, I think we are doing quite good. Then I will take a small blending brush and pick up Boa. This is a really taupey shade, just to blend a little bit more on the upper part, and then I will apply a little bit of Slated, that is a metallic shadow, under my brows. Okay, I washed my brushes yesterday, so I'm picking up Stated. That is not coming out, so I will pick up with my finger. You see, it's a very light shimmery shade. Now with a small brush I will take Bedrock and apply it near my lash line and on the outer V, just to smoke a little bit out the look. With the blend, Cane? Cane? Okay, I'm taking this Rimmel London Exaggerate eyeliner from Rimmel. This is the waterproof one, and has this nice applicator. Is it applicator English? I'm not sure. And just drawing my usual line above. It's really easy to work with. And it's very stiff, so you can draw a very small thin line without any big issue. And also it's a very okay, just move on, and I'm applying my Canon EOS primer under the eye, and I will try the Tocchierina puff to apply it, just pushing it down. This puff is available on Amazon. It's under 15 euros. You will find the link, that all Amazon link below are affiliates, so if you shop through the links, I will earn a little bit of money back. You will not pay nothing more, obviously. This is the primer, but that will help me growing the channel. So if you wish, you are helping me shopping through my links. Okay, I just push it on the face, and now actually in this period I'm using this new, okay, it's not new, it's new for me, this new foundation from Kiko, the Lost in Amalfi collection foundation. I found this foundation really nice. It's a liquidy foundation, it's not very heavy, and I love for this reason. You see, this color is the number 1, Ivory, and I will apply with the puff. Let's see. I'm used to apply this kind of liquidy foundation with the brush. I think we will need more. I think this puff is drinking a lot of foundation because I've never used so much. I was supposing so, actually, because of the consistency of the puff. It looks like it sucks the foundation, but okay, the result is really nice. Is the camouflage one. Okay, let's try with the sponge, with the smallest one. This is a set made by 2, and I will take the concealer with the pointed end of the heart and press it. Okay, it looks good actually. I like it. Maybe I will set everything with my Kodi airspun powder. This one. This is huge. I've read this morning. This package is 65 grams. This is very huge, and still with the puff. Just press it into the skin. This is one of my best powder since ages. The only issue is the perfume inside. It's really strong. It's nice. It's not it's pleasant, but it's very too much for the powder for me actually. I would it would have been better if the powder was without any perfume. It is not irritating, so the skin is not affected by, but it's very heavy. Okay, I forgot to pick up my Taupe palette. I'm going to apply only a little bit of blush with this. Okay. I would add a little bit of highlighter today. I'm not used to highlight my face so often. I don't know why, because I love highlighter on other girls, but they are not. I'm not an highlighter person. I have bought the collection of Kaleidos highlighter months ago, and after that I'm trying to use them a little bit more. This is the Mars Melter Space Sage number G04, and this is the color. It's very sparkly. Wow. You see? I have also the Kaleidos brush somewhere. It should be here because I washed it yesterday. Okay, just a little bit more in here. Okay, this is a very bright and seamy highlighter. I will put a little bit on top of my Cupid's in here. Maybe we can put a little bit of this kind of highlighter in the inner corner of the eye, just to spice up a little bit the look. Let's see. Oh wow, it's great. Okay, for my brow I've tried different techniques this morning. I've used my Nabla pot with a brush like this one. I have around 30 brushes like this. I've bought them on AliExpress with the red, white and blue or black handle, and that was a very nice result. So I will apply it and just draw any single eyebrow hair, and I found this way better than with the classic eyebrow brush. Maybe that's the reason is why I have so tiny eyebrow, so I would prefer a very small brush. I step the mascara. I will start with the baby roll. I think I said in the last 20 videos that the baby roll was at the end, but actually it's not. Now I will apply number 895 on Fire Red from Maybelline. This is Maybelline, I guess. Yes, this is a very true red.